The cabin air filter in your 2020-2021 Kia Soul is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, turn off your vehicle and ensure the HVAC system is off. Open the glove box, depress the side stops to release it, and let it lower completely. You might need to detach any retaining clips. Behind the glove box, you'll see a black plastic filter housing. Open the cover of this housing. It usually has clips you can pop open to reveal the cabin air filter. Carefully remove the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow printed on its side. This is important for installing the new filter correctly. Take your new cabin air filter, such as Kia part number 97133-1R00 or an equivalent aftermarket HEPA filter for better allergen capture, and insert it into the housing. Ensure the airflow arrow matches the direction you noted earlier. Close the filter housing cover until it clicks securely. Reassemble the glove box by reattaching any retaining clips and pushing the sides in so the side stops catch and hold it in place. Test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Regularly checking and replacing your cabin air filter every 12-24 months or 15,000-25,000 miles, depending on driving conditions, is vital for maintaining good air quality and HVAC efficiency. Neglecting this can lead to reduced airflow, musty odors, and even mold growth.